Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I'm Mariovid, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to download Minecraft on PC or your phone or Xbox, Nintendo Switch. Okay, I will show you how to do it. So you have link in the description to the official website Microsoft. And now if you want buy Minecraft Premium, you need go on the website, and now you click on the download Minecraft, and now you have option like computer, mobile, console and others. Okay, I am interested computer, and now buy Minecraft Java Bedrock Edition. Okay, and here you may buy, you click on the buy Minecraft. Okay, and now next step is next step is login or sign up account. Okay, so I click on login or redeem. Okay, nope, you must login, and when you login you will have something like this. Look, my goodness, this. It will redirect you here, and you will have option like Java Edition, Block Edition, Bedrock Edition, and Minecraft Dungeons. Click on buy now and buy, and here you have payment method, later check and later download. Okay, in English I can't show you this because it's problem with website. I can change on USA, it will be better. As you can see, Minecraft Java Bedrock Edition, it is $13. Okay, and later you click next, and you choose debit card, PayPal, phone number, and later you pay and you will get. Okay, and that's all what I wanted to show you in this tutorial. It is premium. Okay, premium Minecraft. So thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, bye bye, and see you next time. Thanks.